If you need to analyze results in SurveyMonkey, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to open your survey, view the response data, and explore the different ways SurveyMonkey helps you understand your results more clearly. This is a simple process, but once you know where to click, it becomes much faster and easier to review what your audience is telling you. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Now let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to click on the survey you want to review. This is where all of your response data lives, so make sure you choose the correct survey before moving forward. After opening the survey, look for the Analyze Results option. Click on that to enter the results section for your survey. This is the main area where SurveyMonkey organizes your answers, charts, and response breakdowns. Once you're inside Analyze Results, you'll see different ways to view your data. One of the first things you can do is click on Question Summaries. This section is helpful because it gives you an overview of how people responded to each question. You can quickly see trends, patterns, and answer distributions without having to dig through every single response manually. If you want to go deeper, click on Individual Responses. This lets you review each completed survey response one by one. That's useful when you want to see how a specific person answered every question, especially if you're checking for detailed feedback or looking for unusual patterns. If you need a more visual way to review your data, click on the dashboards. Dashboards are great for turning your survey results into a cleaner, more visual summary that's easier to present or share with your team. Depending on your survey and plan, you may also be able to filter, compare, and organize your results in different ways to focus on the insights that matter most. As you explore, pay attention to answer totals, percentages, and any repeated feedback that stands out. That's where the most useful insights often appear. And remember, the goal isn't just to collect responses, it's to understand what those responses mean so you can make better decisions. So to recap, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Analyze Results, review question summaries, check individual responses, and use dashboards for a more visual breakdown. If this video saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.